With the constant changes in the business environment and the pace of changes in technology, the role of the CFO is fast evolving. Today's CFOs are expected to be strategists and catalysts, shaping the future of their organizations alongside the CEO. At Deloitte, we take charge of connecting the dots through knowledge and unique client experiences interwoven with quality, authenticity, and camaraderie. The Deloitte CFO Vantage program is one of our marquee leadership programs. This program helps senior finance executives aspiring to be CFOs prepare for a CFO role of the future by offering experiential curriculum and unparalleled networking opportunities. With a successful launch and engagement in 2024, we are excited to bring yet another interesting edition of the CFO Vantage program in 2025. This program isn't just about learning, it's about experiencing what it takes to become a CFO. In our upcoming workshop, we deliberate via immersive workshops that cover a wide array of themes that matter to the business world. Together, we will explore themes like stakeholder management, executive presence, communication skills, finance transformation, and regulatory insights, helping participants gain the perspectives and skills critical for success. Our sessions will challenge participants to think beyond numbers. It will help them gain and appreciate the art of influence, improve their personal brand, and navigate complex business environments with confidence. Through engaging workshops and real-world experience shared by industry experts, we will focus on stakeholder influence, understanding the expectations of the CEO, board, investors, customers, regulators, and accordingly engaging with them. The future of finance, leveraging technology, data, and AI to drive business transformation. Innovation as a key driver to future growth and scale. And lastly, creating a personal brand and influence. At Deloitte, we believe in empowering the leaders of tomorrow for a successful tomorrow. The CFO Vantage program is an opportunity to sharpen your skills, expand your network, and gain strategic edge needed to excel in a CFO role. If you're ready to step up, let's learn, lead, and serve for a better tomorrow.